Hi, my name is Vikas Pal, and I had been working as a manual tester and was eager to upskill myself for the development role, but wasn't sure like where to begin. That's when I discovered the 30 days coding program, and this course helped me for better understanding programming languages concept through hands-on practice. And I have chosen many of the languages in this course, but moreover I focus on Java, DSA, and a few front-end part courses as well, like HTML, CSS, and JavaScripts. So like it provide me the perfect platform for me to improve my skills and transition toward the development. And I'm truly grateful for the structured approach and the practice learning opportunity it offered. And I will highly recommend this course to anyone looking for enhance their programming skills. Okay, thank you.